Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the control panel and signing in with an administrative account so you can change settings without interruptions. Once done, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for safety because permissions matter when you modify system controls. Use the search box at the top to go straight to the pane you need. This saves time versus navigating every category. Now that you're logged and focused, you're ready to perform the first configuration steps immediately. You now make the substantive changes. Start with core areas, network, display, and power options because they impact system behavior broadly. When you adjust user accounts, assign explicit permissions so processes run only with necessary rights. This reduces accidental errors later. Once configured, switch to Advanced View to inspect Device Manager services and scheduled tasks. These control background behavior and startup. As you work, test one change at a time so you complete the process by applying changes and restarting any services or the whole computer if necessary, because many settings require a restart to take effect. Once restarted, verify the feature works by testing it directly and reviewing status indicators or logs. This confirms success. If something goes wrong, revert the last change first, then check user permissions and the event logs for errors. This targeted troubleshooting quickly isolates the problem and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.